Welcome. Today we're going to talk about email etiquette. So what does etiquette mean? It means polite behavior. Before we get started, let's look at the parts of an email. This is what a blank email looks like. The first thing we're going to talk about is the to. It's also known as the recipient, and that's who you're sending your email to. The email address can tell you a lot about a person, so let's look at one. Here's Fred's email address: fred.carlson@monticello.k12.ia.us. The front part usually is the person's name. The @ is the start of where their email is from. So this is from a school because it says monticello.k12. The .k12 means that it's a kindergarten through 12th grade. .ia tells us the state, Iowa, and .us tells us it's in the United States. Next is subject. This is where you tell the person what your email is about. Make sure it is short and to the point. On the other side, there are a couple of letters. CC stands for carbon copy. This is who is getting a copy just so they can see what's going on. But it doesn't mean that they have to reply back. BCC is blind carbon copy. Like CC, but the recipient doesn't get to see who else is getting the email. You might want to use this to send an email to a group of people you don't want to give everyone else's email addresses away to. Now that you understand a little bit about email, we're going to go to the next slide and complete the assignments. Ask me if you have any questions.